Hi all, this video lecture we will see about Zigbee technology. Zigbee is a protocol which is used for connecting the IoT devices. So let us see some of the features of Zigbee. So Zigbee is usually, it is based on IEEE 802.15.4 standard, and this is created by Zigbee Alliance, some group of companies. They formed the Zigbee Alliance, and it was created by Zigbee Alliance. And this Zigbee is suitable for wireless personal area networks, and it also provides a high level communication. Let us see the history of Zigbee. So Zigbee actually began in the year 1998 when some group of engineers working on a home automation project, they realized that both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is not suitable for many of the application, and then they came up designing with Zigbee. So, Zigbee specifications were ratified in the year December 2024, and then Zigbee Alliance announces the public availability of the entire specification 1.0 in the year 2005. So this is about the history of Zigbee. And when it comes to the types of Zigbee devices, there are three types of Zigbee devices. One is the coordinator node, then Zigbee router, and the end devices. So Zigbee coordinator is like the root of the network, and this helps to bridge with the other networks or the devices. So coordinator will be storing the information, the entire information about the network, and this will also act as a repository for the security keys. So this only, the coordinator only will be behaving like a controller. The next is Zigbee router. This router will act as an intermediate between the devices, and this will help to transfer the data from one device to another device, and this will be maintaining the routing table. And coordinator will also maintain the routing table. Then Zigbee end devices, this will just have the information about the parent node, maybe either for some of the devices, the parent node can be the Zigbee coordinator, or maybe a Zigbee router. So this will just have the information about the parent node to which it can send and receive the messages, and it cannot relay the data from other devices. And this Zigbee end device will require a minimum amount of memory, and therefore it is very less expensive when compared with the Zigbee router or a coordinator. So these are the three types of Zigbee devices. You have coordinator, you have router, and end devices. Some of the features of Zigbees are generally the Zigbee protocol is used for connecting devices that have very low data rate, or also for devices which operates on a low power or maybe a battery operated devices. So as I told you, it operates in wireless personal area networks, and also for device-to-device connectivity or device-to-device networks. Then it can also used to provide connectivity between the small packet devices, and it can control lights, switches, thermostats, appliances, etc. You can use Zigbee protocol for all these purposes, and mostly it is designed for wireless controls and sensors. Then coming to the Zigbee protocol stack, there are four layers in the Zigbee protocol stack. First one is physical layer, then MAC layer, that is medium access control layer, and network layer, and application support layer. So you can see the protocol stack in physical and MAC layer. We will be using IEEE 802.15.4, and when it comes to the network and application layer, Zigbee specifications are used. You can see here. So you can have Zigbee device objects, you can have application objects, and this application support layer is connected with the objects. And it also have security services. So this is the Zigbee protocol stacks, and this helps to provide modulation and demodulation of the data transmitted between the network. And it also helps for the device configuration, then device setup, etc. Then topologies like Zigbee supports three different types of topology: star topology, peer-to-peer network, and mesh topology. So Zigbee will support these three topologies. And when it comes to the uses or advantages of Zigbee, the main advantage, it is low cost, then range and abstraction issue avoidance, then multi-source products and low power consumption. These are the four main features of Zigbee so that it can be used for connecting the IoT devices. Thank you.